What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is if you want to know what the back of the new iPad Pro 2020s are going to look like, here you go. Now, this isn't really a huge surprise of what they're going to look like. Camera will be on the top left, and as you can see, it looks pretty much the same as the iPhone 11 Pro Max camera in the back, top left. It should have basically the same cameras, or very close to the same cameras as that one, and then very small bezels on the front. They skipped 2019 releasing a Pro version of this iPad. I'm not completely sure why, but they did. So this should be coming out in the next few months. Next up is about iOS 14. Now on iOS 13 and pretty much every other version of iOS, swipe up and hold, and you have these, cards, you would call them, on your screen to see and go to the next app that you had open. Now the new multitasking screen on iOS 14 looks like this. It's called Grid Tasking, and it's something similar to what Galaxy phones have through Good Lock, and basically it's just a grid. You'll see 4 apps at once. I like this a lot, especially with those nice big screens. You'll be able to go in here and do some different things. You can swipe up to get rid of the window, and click on it obviously to bring it up. I'm not completely sure if you can press and hold on the name of the app to bring it up to multitask, to run 2 apps at once. And like I was saying earlier, on Galaxy phones, I use the Grid version and use it very similar. And the last story of the day, Galaxy S20's. If you still want to pre-order it, pre-order is still available. I even checked the carrier versions, ones that were pushed out, at least on Samsung's website, as old as like March 20th, 27th. All of those have come back into play in terms of being in stock, like as of March 4th. So it looks like if you still want to purchase this phone and get it on time when the deliveries do ship out, the initial ones, you still can. All that stuff is linked down below. Thanks for watching. Your question of the day is, if you didn't pre-order the Galaxy S20, what is your reason why you didn't do it? I'm curious. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.